wanna be a player. You telling me you love me, I feel like that you be playing. And I ain't got no time for no nigga, I'm just saying. You feel like you the man, well I feel like you a fan, man. You know who I am, and you know what it is. I ain't that.
Hi YouTube, I'm Belly back after how many months? I don't know, but today I'm going to dye my hair, as you can see from the title of the video. I don't really know what color I'm gonna get. I know what color I want. I want a red pink, a magenta, but like red pink, and I really hope that that's the color I get. If anything goes wrong, I hope it at least turns into a cherry. That's the only color I like accept. So my hair was already dyed, and it grew out like up to here. I only dyed my hair twice before, so this was my second dye, and it has grown out where, you know, like the roots are showing. I literally just came from Sally's. You feel me? Give me an applicator. I got the Developer 30. For dark hair only, red. 2 boxes of these and 1 of this. She said I can mix this in. This is a semi-permanent, so it like eventually goes away, but this is permanent. And she said I can mix these in together to get like that pink red, I guess. Like, feel me? So we're gonna get right into this because I got somewhere to be later. I need my results now. Okay, and I need to cut my ends so bad. I need my results now. After this, I don't think I'm gonna put heat in my hair, so I'll probably just, when I do this, I'll probably just leave my hair curly. I need my comb. I watched a few videos on how to do this, so she said to use the entire bottle of this, so that's what I'm gonna do. It literally does not tell me. It is this small. It's very small. There is no directions to open, unscrew, cap, pierce. I need directions. What the hell? Alright, from what I remember when I was watching YouTube videos like 30 minutes ago. Whatever, I pushed out as much as I could.
You are everything I never knew I always wanted. I'm not even sure what that means exactly, but I think it has something to do with the rest of my life.
Oh my god, these feel so cool. Take me serious now. In this, so I'm gonna have to, like, when I apply that, then I apply this right on top of it. Okay, just change that shirt into a shirt that I don't really give a damn for. Found this. I'm gonna mix it because I want to make sure that this is no goddamn BS. So I'm gonna, that looks so. So I put it in. Forgot to record the process. I literally got everything dirty. Like literally everything is dirty. And it looks pink. I'm so excited. Literally my arm, the back of my neck. Look, I didn't put no Vaseline on the back of my neck though. The pink bottle, after I use it, my hand's just gonna get so. Okay, so I'm about to wash my hair. And it just looks like this. It's with like red. Exactly what I wanted. I hope it doesn't damage my curl patterns. So I'm gonna wash my hair, BRB. Here I am with the shirt on my head. Just got done washing my hair. This side, I left it on longer on this. Like I did this side first, then I did this side. So this side is like brighter. Why? Literally it's a two-tone. I hope we finna reveal it. Wow. Like I said, two-toned is because I'm actually excited now. Like I know this side is pinker. Like I know it's pinker, but I have to, I don't know. Yeah, bro, this side is so pink. Like look at, oh my god, I'm fucking up my eyelashes. Gee. Sorry, I had to fluff out my eyelashes. All right, well, this is the hair. How do I feel about my hair? I'm happy. I'm not. So I'm gonna use these 3 products.
You are everything I never
So I'm gonna use this one first.
always wanted.
Hair Milk. It's a moisturizer, leave-in. Actually,
I'm not sure what that means.
I had just got it, so I never used it before.
With the rest of my life.
So yeah, so it has that thing on there. My curl pattern is still here. Still here. Alright. Up inside of my hair is brighter than, whoa. Gee. How did I let this happen? Unless if
You are everything I never knew I always wanted. I'm not even sure what that means exactly, but I think it has something to do with the rest of my life.
okay. I'm gonna re-dye this. Like, you shitting me? I just wasn't having it. Just wasn't. Alright, then I'm not gonna put the products in my hair yet. I'm gonna wait. I'm literally gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. So I'm taking it out at 3 o'clock. It's 2:50. I'm gonna put on the ends. Okay. I'm just gonna put the rest of this. Where should I put this? We finna see. Because what? Get? Like we really finna see. Because I know y'all saw it was two different. Nah, no, it was really bothering me. I just emptied this out. Yeah. I'm back. Period. I went on a limb. Wait, I'm scared to take this out. Like, it's red. I got red of it before. I don't know. Maybe I should have. Now this side is. I think this. Oh, baby weed. Crazy. I gotta get my curls together. Because baby crazy. I'm not mad at all, and my hands ain't dirty. Wow. I'm happy now. Something just told me. But I didn't get these. I'm really not gonna go back and drop them. But the whole front is definitely, because what I did was I took a blow dryer and I blow dried it. I should have did that the entire time. The blow dryer really helps. The blow dryer really helps. I'm watching Black Summer on Netflix. I started it last night and I'm already on episode 6. Started it yesterday around like 11. It's a great zombie show. If you like zombies, that's your way to go. I'm gonna do my hair. Maybe since I'm going to take a shower, maybe.
You are everything I never knew I always wanted.
No. And then I'm gonna go take a shower. That's ass backwards. I'm gonna do my hair now. Then I'm gonna go take a shower. That's ass backwards, but that's what's about to happen. Wow, baby. I am bright red. Well, not bright red because, you know, I didn't bleach my hair. So, had my hair been bleached, my hair cherry. My hair would have been like a cherry. But I didn't bleach my hair, so... Once I do my hair, I'm gonna tie it to a backward curl. See the difference? Product? No product. Oh wow. I really like my hair. I'm gonna step out like I just came out of the JJ.